What's up, my fellow rail fans? Welcome back to the channel. So I wasn't going to make a video outside of my shorts, but rail fanning, you never know what you're going to see. So today I was out in Southmount here at High Rock Lake, and I found some cool local trains, which you're going to see. And I also found fire by the rail, which you'll see as well, which surprised me. So I'm not sure if it was started by the train or by somebody else or whatever, what happened, but you'll see that. So here we have our local, which is ran by the Winston-Salem Southbound Railway on CXX track. And they're heading south towards their yard. And they're running along the High Rock Lake here, and it's beautiful. Also, I love how close this car is to the track that the engineer had to honk his horn. Gotta be aware. If you're next to a track, a train can come. So right up here where the road curves to the left is where you're gonna see the fire truck end up staging to put out the fire. All right, the smoke is out there, the fire crews is out there, and yeah, it's a fire. I definitely didn't notice until I saw the smoke and I heard the fire truck, but I didn't see anything. And then also here comes the local headed right back north now. And here's the fire. It hasn't rained in a couple of weeks, so it definitely doesn't help the situation, but the fire crews are doing everything that they can to keep the fire contained and make sure it doesn't spread even more. All right, guys, thank you all for watching the video. Once again, sorry that the video was vertical. Wasn't planning on doing the video outside of my normal shorts, but that's why. Sorry about that. See you guys next time. Stay safe and keep on rail fanning.